I don't really reach that place right there. You remember that my friend who I met earlier today? I'm going to her shop. You understand? You know, say for the last video when I told her I said I'm not going here to stay. Say my landlord pursue me, you understand? So you know, say easy for a pregnant woman. You are pregnant and you're just rolling in the street. So this lady said I should come. You understand? So I want to go and see her. You understand? So please show me the shop. I think this is the shop she told me. And so follow me, let's go. Hello baby, what's up?
Ah, Joy, you're here. You came, just like you said. You're welcome. Oh, let me get you a seat to sit down. You know you are here, baby. You can sit down, okay? Sit down, please.
This shop is looking good.
This is where I'm managing myself, oh, my sister. And you can sit there too. That's my.
Yeah,
How are you?
how are you, my sister? You don't see me now, you don't see your friend
I've
now.
seen you, Joy. When I saw you on the road, I was like, what's really going on? How are you? How have you been?
My dear, I'm fine, no. I'm fine the way you left me.
I didn't even know you're in this town. Seriously, because I lost your number. I didn't really have a means of communicating with you. That's why I didn't reach you since. I'm so sorry.
No, no problem. What happened is that...
Before you continue, please, what would you like to do?
Okay, well, I'm hungry, oh. I'm hungry. Do you have what?
Yes, I have one.
Please, I want to know.
Oh, yeah, give her one more. Okay, so I'm listening to you.
Okay, immediately when the girl won't go bring the malt, now I can't tap am. Can't like say beg, babe, when I get food. Now she can't say yes. Say get where then they sell food around. Now you can't send in girl, you understand?
You know, say, you don't see me now. You don't see me in the shop. You don't see me finish. And so you be.
Where is your husband? Who is responsible? How are you doing? How come you are going through all of this? This is my child. This is my second child.
Oh, really?
Yes. The other one has gone to school. So, what happened? Why are you like this, Joy? Talk to me. I'm your friend. Don't forget, I used to be your best friend. I don't know about now.
I know this one, but what happened is that I will tell you this. Because there is camera here watching us, you understand? So I will tell you the secret. Don't worry. What happened is that let me just brief you.
Okay, my people, now so I can't dey tell her the story, how the matter can take day, how the belle can take enter, you understand? Though she know they happy, oh, but finally she get no option now. She's supposed to help her friend now, you understand? So now so the thing can't take happen. She still dey surprised, you understand? So now this lady now my best friend though, now one of my best before, you understand? Before we can't lose contact. So when she dey try to force me make I talk, I tell her say, well, camera dey for my front. Say camera dey for my front. Now she can't understand.
So guys, this is my friend. So I'm going to give you guys updates later. You already see say I don't come meet her. So baby.
Okay, after I don't go to this my girlfriend house, now I can explain to her. I can tell her and say, baby girl, please, can you help me for accommodation? Say I get accommodation problem. My landlord chased me out of my house, just because of Sadie who I'm 1 month. So I'm going to ask her whether she gets some vacancy in her apartment. She said yes. Say why she dey fear that because of her husband. Say her husband and the children and she, now they manage that place. Do you understand? So say she for like to help me, or but wetin dey there be say you know if you help me how the thing go take, but you go first let your husband know. I got tell and say, well, wetin happen be say you be my friend right from time. That's why I say we lost contact. Now I don't see you back. So I'm happy to see you too. So please, you must find something. You must make sure you help me I don't come be say I don't come.
See, go to that woman
I'm
outside
hungry.
there.
Go
To
and
buy
get
food.
me
The way you used to buy food for me, that rice and meat. Just tell that woman. See that shop I used to buy for. Let me go there. Let me tell her to give me food. Tell her to put enough meat inside. Be fast though.
What is it?
Yes.
Come, add beans, so.
Okay, add beans for her, please. Thank you. She's my girl, oh. I'm taking care of her so that she will not hurt me or hurt my children. You understand? And she's a very good girl. She's been good to me. So back to our discussion, Joy.
Okay, guys, what happen be say I will give you guys updates. You understand how she take keep me for house? Okay, I'll give an update. Please, if you never subscribe, please make it subscribe and follow up. Let's go on there.